Welcome to the APRAISE project, assessing policy interrelationships and impacts on sustainability in Europe. An environmental policy often does not meet its intended objectives. APRAISE has developed a methodology in order to understand how and why such deviation emerges.
This methodology has been applied in 6 case studies, each involving 2 countries and key environmental EU policy areas. 7 are the countries included in the case studies: Austria, UK, Slovenia, Greece, the Netherlands, Germany and Estonia. Austria and UK case studies focused on the promotion of biofuels under the EU Renewable Energy Directive and its impact on other environmental objectives. The cases of Slovenia and Austria were researched regarding the impact of hydropower generation on river basins. For Germany and the Netherlands, we focused on the waste management, prevention, reuse, and recycling of plastic package material. In addition, in Greece and the Netherlands, the impact of energy efficiency policies promoting sustainable buildings on waste management policies were studied. The policy interactions of offshore wind energy generation and conserving marine ecosystems were studied in Germania and Estonia. Finally, policies supporting renewable energy sources and their interplay with energy efficiency promotion schemes in the building sector were assessed for the cases of Greece and Slovenia.
In both Austria and UK, the first-generation biofuels expansion is limited due to fixed biofuel targets and external contextual factors. The second-generation biofuels are not likely to make a sizable contribution to meeting 2020 targets. The command and control mechanism in Austria appear to be more effective and efficient in meeting national biofuel targets compared to the market-based instruments in the UK.
Economic crisis was one of the reasons that both Austria and Slovenia postponed their 2015 European goals regarding the Water Framework Directive. Both Austria and Slovenia share a noticeable conflict between water conservation interest groups and small hydropower plants investors. In Austria, interim targets for SHPP expansions are being missed, while Slovenia is on track to meet its targets. The unfavorable investment climate, along with lack of proper enforcement of the buildings regulations, further deteriorate the situation in Greece. In the Netherlands, due to the frequent changes and inconsistency of the EPC policy framework, the trust in the energy label system has drastically decreased. Finally, in the Netherlands, waste management measures were found to be indirectly linked to the energy efficiency policies, while in Greece the integration of provisions for the treatment of various waste streams and energy efficiency policies should be strengthened.
Both Germany and the Netherlands call on the responsibility of the waste producers. In general, positive factors appear to be more abundant in the Netherlands. However, the effectiveness and the efficiency of the assessed policy instrument is rather similar in both countries.
National targets for the diffusion of renewables were considered viable, however the risk trajectory should have been more closely monitored in both Greece and Slovenia. No direct trade-off between renewable support and energy efficiency promotion policies was observed in both Greece and Slovenia. There is a need for more visionary and adaptive policy design framed by a coherent strategy for both country feed and tariff schemes.